Hello! Today I wanted to share with you a trick that I've used for a long time to get rid of hiccups. Every single time I've done this, it's worked. So I wanted to share it with you today. So the first thing you do is you get a glass of water or a bottle of water. Get it in your mouth, hold it in your cheeks, and don't swallow yet. And then you're going to slowly drink the water down until it's all gone. Then, when you've drank all the water, you want to slowly release your ears. And you can also do this with a second person if you want to. So that you can be putting the water in your mouth and they're plugging your ears at the same time. Or if you're by yourself, this way works just fine too. So it will look something like this. And then wait and see, your hiccups will probably be gone. And if it doesn't work the first time, try it one more time. Make sure that you're swallowing the water down very slowly, and it should work. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe down below for more tips. And if you have any other ways that you use to get rid of the hiccups, comment below and I would love to see your ideas.